Okay, so this movement will go to 1.62769. It'll probably bounce off 1.62828 before settling back to 1.62769 for a while. How do we know this? Well, we know this because of the way that it is adhering to this particular fractal. And you can see by the points of the arrows that it is sticking to points of resistance and support. It'll also be a slow movement. As I said, this is a slow movement. There's not a lot of impetus. If we look at the bottom here, it's touched this barrier at least twice, several times over the course of a few hours. And it started off locking on to the bottom of that set there, moving up and starting to work on this fractal quite well, and then seemingly losing momentum, which is to be expected if it's got a slow, low impetus start down there. But now it is just beginning to recover again, and it will go to this line. One of the most important things about trading is having patience. And you can see that having created a little rise to there on December the 1st, at around just before midday, the chart has really remained fairly static for a whole day. And so there's no real value in trading. And now we see that there's a slight upward tendency going on because we know that it has to reach this line. So now we just wait and see what happens. So here we are on the third day of this really boring trade. As we said at the beginning, this is going to take a long time. And it's been wandering along. It hit the green line there, but we're still waiting for it to go up to the purple line. So, look what happened. There we are. It hit at last. So by the time it's got there, you're safe. You come out of the trade and you've made some money. As I said, this is a very, very slow trade, but it got there in the end, just as we predicted.